भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भजोरि भाई गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भजोरि भाई गोविन्दं भ्रमर किया देखा संसार हर एक पर काम बसना सवार नैन उठा कर निहार रूप है सारी माया जार उठ जग अंजलि अखिया खोल सब है पानी गोविंद बोल भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भजोरि भाई गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भजोरि भाई गोविन्दं बंगला बगीचा ऐशो आराम उनमें नहीं सच्चा विश्राम दुखी है सारा संसार सोई सुखी जिसे नाम आधार उठ जग अंजलि अखिया खोल सब है फानी गोविंद बोल भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भजोरि भाई गोविन्दं 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 भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भजोरि भाई गोविन्दं
Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter the 12th, shlokas 13 to 20, translated from the original Sanskrit into English rhymed verse by Gurudev Sadhu Vaswani. The Blessed Lord said, "Who hateth none, from self is free, in pleasure pain has poised mind, and is compassionate and kind. My best beloved saint is he, who dedicateth unto me his mind and reason, is content, controlled, his life still in me blent. My best beloved saint is he, who harms no bird nor beast nor flea, and doth not feel disturbed here by any, and is freed of fear. My best beloved saint is he, who nothing wants, doth work for me, yet is from work detached, serene, well balanced, unperplexed and clean. My best beloved saint is he, who fixed in faith and love on me, doth dote on me, yet scorneth none, and fruits of labour all doth shun. My best beloved saint is he, who is alike in pain and glee, in fame and shame, in cold and heat, to foe and friend in strength defeat. My best beloved saint is he, who bears blame, praise, is passion free, who homeless is and firm in mind, in silent love who life doth find. My best beloved saint is he. They who this nectar drink of me, and know the law that giveth life, and cling to faith away from strife, my best beloved saint is he. Om Tat Sat. Thus endeth chapter the 12th of the Bhagavad Gita, entitled Bhakti Yoga, or the Yoga of Devotion.
अंधियारे में प्राणपति, महर में तुम मुस्कुराते हो।
नभ के सूरज चांद तारों में तुम चमकते हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे। सुंदर प्यारे प्रभु हमारे, समुद्र से मोती लाते हो।
भक्तों के प्यारे, सुंदरता में न्यारे, अद्भुत तेज की ज्योति हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे। युग युग तेरी ज्योत जागे, हर युग में तेरी लीला पार हो।
कल युग में बज नाम नगारा, ये गिरधारी तुम अति सुंदर हो।
ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे।
अनंत लोक के नाथ तुम हो, कर जोर प्रणाम करता हूँ।
नूरी दर की दासी, दर्शन की प्यासी, तेरा गंगा जल रोज पीता रहूं। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे। जय जगदीश हरे, 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 जय जगदीश हरे। ओम जय 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 जगदीश हरे, ओम जय
श्री नूरी ग्रंथ पेज 887 माक मेहर जी। माक मेहर जी रोज अचे, पर उन मिले जो प्यास नचे। प्यासी गंगा तीरथ स्नान, प्यासी गूढ़ो गीता ज्ञान। प्यासी जीवन जो आधार, प्यासी खोले हरि का द्वार। नूरी निमाणी सिपी बेचारी, सतगुर बाज में सुती पियारी। The bounty of the Lord's mercy. The bounty of the Lord pours down each day, but only the true aspirant receives the same. True longing for the Lord is tantamount to a holy dip in the Ganges. True longing for the Lord is the essence of the teaching of the Gita. Longing for the Lord is the very foundation for this life, and longing for the Lord opens the door for reaching the Lord. I am like an aspiring mother of pearl oyster, and the Master in His grace has granted me a drop of His nectar.
शिव 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 ओम शिव 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 Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, 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 Hare Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
6-Step Meditation, Part 3. We are about to begin the meditation that will take us to the third and final phase of our inward journey. Let us retrace the steps we have covered already so that we may proceed further. If you are ready, let us begin. Sit comfortably, eyes closed, spine erect, head, neck and back aligned in a straight line as far as possible. Make sure that you are relaxed. Breathe deeply. Inhale. Exhale. In, out, in, out. Now step away from yourself metaphorically and observe your body and mind. You now know that you are not this body that you wear, nor are you this mind that is constantly playing pranks and refuses to stay still. Say, I am not the body. I am not the mind. Detachment gives you peace and stability. You become like a rock that is unwavering and firm. You are like a rock in the midst of an ocean. Waves dash against the rock, but the rock remains unmoved. Detachment, non-judgment, gives you peace and tranquility. Thoughts may come and go. Moods may change. Sometimes life brings sorrows. Sometimes life brings joys. You remain unmoved by either. You are one with all the universe. You are a part of the one great whole. You cannot fear or hate or envy or resent anyone or anything, because you are a part of it all. You are one with all that is. And now we come to the fifth step. If I am in all, if I have realized my oneness with all, if I am part of this vast cosmos, there is no death for me. I can never die. It is only when I feel I am restricted to this physical body that I live in fear of death. Now I can challenge death. Death, you cannot touch me. You can take away this physical body, but I am in all. So long as there is one human being, even one small creature alive on earth, I am alive. So long as there is one creature that breathes the breath of life, I am alive. So long as there is a leaf fluttering in the wind, I am alive. So long as dewdrops drench flowers, I am alive. In the showers, in the western breeze, in the fragrance of flowers, in the song of the birds, I am alive. I can never die. I have never died. I am eternal. I am immortal. I am immutable. I am deathless. I am in every ray of sunshine, in every drop of rain, in every grain of sand. Say to yourself, I am one with all that is. By now your breathing has become deep. Be relaxed. See that your spine is straight. See that there is no tension in the muscles around your eyes and round your mouth. See that there is no tension in the muscles of your legs. Relax, relax, relax. You are not the physical body. You are not the body-mind complex. You are the universal self, the one self that is in all that is. Say to yourself, I am that. I am beyond the body and the mind. And now we come to the final step, the sixth step, the step in which we breathe out love and goodwill and peace to all. I love you all. I love you all. Let that aspiration come out of the very depths of my heart. In the measure in which I give love to others, love will flow back to me, and I will always have plenty of love to give to everyone who meets me. Love all in the northern countries, in the southern countries, in the western countries, in the eastern countries. I love everyone. I love you. I love you. And I pray that you all may be happy, full of peace and bliss. I love those that love me, and also those who for some reason or the other are unable to love me. I love those that speak well of me, and also those who for some reason or the other are unable to speak well of me. Actually call out someone by name, someone who you think does not love you, does not speak well of you, and say, Mr. XYZ, Mrs. XYZ, Miss XYZ, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you all. May you all be happy and full of peace and bliss. And now must come the final benediction. May all without exception be free from disease, free from ignorance, free from sorrow. And now, as you get up from this meditation, many of you will feel that you yourself are happy, full of peace and bliss. Now let us rub the palms of our hands together. Place them gently on the eyelids and gently, very, very gently open the eyes. That is the end of this inner journey, the meditation of 6 steps. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.